Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on animations and calls on your accounts on Telegram. Easy and quick. First click on history lines and now click settings. Click shot settings and now click animations, and here we find it, animations and calls. Click on it and it should be turned on, and that's it. That's how to turn on animations and calls on your account on Telegram. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.